fuck. This is the end of the beginning. This is the end at the beginning. God damn, I see 5 of them son of a bitches. Let's see if I can get the light better. There's 5 of them motherfuckers. I didn't see a damn one. Where's he at? I'll get him for you. You know, there's 2 of them son of bitches there. Look at them motherfuckers. I didn't see a nary one. There's another one over there. God damn. Where you at, you son of a bitch? There you at. You mugly mucker. There that mucker is. Look at that son of a bitch. There's fucking 5 or 6 of them in this son of a bitch here. The other 2 on the other side of the yard didn't have none. But goddamn thing. A pile of them in this motherfucker. Get them, fucking Crop Defender 3. You burn them motherfuckers up. I ain't fooling. I'm gonna leave them like that. I ain't gonna smush them up. I'm just gonna see if them motherfuckers are dead as a doorknob in the morning. God damn them things. Evil. They're more evil than I am. God damn it. Alright, watch the rest of the fucking video. Peace. 9 o'clock on a Tuesday night. No rest for the wicked, bitches. God damn it. Whew. I'm gonna be using Crop Defender 3. I'm going for the full dose, 40 milliliters per gallon. 2 tablespoons is 29.7 something around there. Close enough to call it 30. And I'm gonna give it 10 mils in the syringe and make it 40. I don't even know if y'all see this shit. Oops. That was a smooth move there. Be 40 milliliters of Crop Defender 3. It smells very, very botanical. Minty, bunch of other shit. Fucking way we go. I'm gonna hit my goddamn Brussels sprouts. I've been killing caterpillars by hand for 3 fucking days. I'm about tired of it. Here we fucking go. Don't get none on your eyes, motherfucker. It might burn a bit. Take that, you motherfucker. Get down in here in the sweet spot. Let's not fuck around. They like going for that meat, boy, that soft meat. Yeah, motherfucker. Take that. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta stay on top of the IPM from here on out, I can tell you that. I've seen more leafhoppers today out there fucking with them plants and I've seen in quite a while. So it's coming. The fucking caterpillars in my goddamn weed is coming. I stay on top of the IPM. Because I'm a slack ass. I might be okay. Moving on along. I'll soak them bitches over there. I ain't fuck around. This one here, I can just about top it any fucking time. Sooner the better. I might top this one, I'll give it until this weekend maybe. Top it. That's the way you get them all. Your nice little Brussels sprouts to form. Or it'll just keep shooting on up. And your lower Brussels sprouts start turning into cabbage. Take that, you motherfucker. All right, let's see, we're on time. Oh, fuck it. Now it's gonna be a goddamn video. Ah, fuck it. I'll cut you bitches off in a couple minutes. I won't let you see my ladies. Brussels sprouts. That's your fucking amusement for tonight. Your Brussels sprout IPM. Have a fantastic fucking night. I want to be with my ladies. I'm out of here. Peace.